Ini norok no heritage park punuk nai norok heritage park nu biak nuke norok ang bai tong di tai o video no like lai ani logi o pai sungtabu heritage park bisingo hapka iko aboni pula buskang ilama heritage park gota motong norok no tini ang punukana norok o video no pulan simi pai thak jora nai tong di Engke sung faite kaisa jaga nirmahol sopaika nirmahol bolte o heritage park ni nirmahol building kisi sa chikonsa slami borok phunujak pai dipori phunugan norong no nirmahal this place was built by Maharaja Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya in 1913 AD it is a picturesque fairy tale mansion located in the midst of Rudrasagar Lake the lake itself has been recognized as a wetland of international importance Ramsar project location Melagar 58 kilometers from Agartala ni 58 kilometer Salo engke norok nanya di Nirmahal abo demo engke abo saimangka Ramsar project Rudrasagar Lake go loket ba abo slamjak norok abo nanya ke Rudrasagar Lake go thangui nanya nangnai oke heritage park ni je Tripura bo mani tongmani abo borok oro phunuka project khai nainai dinaro tai khaksa phayui yango abo ukluk tui norok no buskang tui phunugana borok salam rukaro Agartala railway station tai ko ba Agartala railway station abo amtike thangte norok Agartala simi biang thangman amtike nuknai nai tong di norok nang nukan yang faite tai kaisa oro nayudi mox Chandrapur mox the Rasnagar Masjid was constructed around 1618 AD by the Mughal army who had invaded Tripura during the reign of King Yasudhara Manikya. The mosque beckons tourists to enjoy the majesty of its architectural beauty, observance of solidarity fair, tamjan sikataya yang nuhulia kakzak. Jika bono nanya ji, bilai kena coba. Faite sing ikoron nukhaya Ujayanta Palace of actually Raja Tongani nok aki sini Tripura bo. Nanya ji, heritage park actually obo je sini Tripura bo manui. Tongani o park ko joto norok nugui manai. Iko abo Ujayanta Palace agi Raja Tongani nok okay oro norok poriunya di Ujayanta Palace. This royal house was built in the years 1899 to 1901. It is a two-stored mansion having a mixed type of architecture of many years. It housed Tripura Legislative Assembly. Now it has been restored and developed to serve as a state museum. Location Agartala bo tabuk agi abo royal house Tongmani tabke state museum Slamjaka iko norok kahke nanya tabuk lama faite aro city katang ni welcome to Udaipur ni bridge iko abo tamjani kan norok no pori phunugan sakang obo Tripureshwari temple. This temple is one of the 51 holiest Shakti Tamhunisika pit in India as per Hindu mythology. The temple was constructed in 1501 AD. Every year on Diwali, a famous Mela or fair take place near the temple. Location near Udaipur, 15 km from Agartala by 15 km Hasalabo, Tripureshwari temple. Naina dia demo borok selama ifunuka. Kita norok abo visit Klaimano Udaipur, 15 km from Agartala ni abo. Norok visit kanya ke Klaimano abo no. Yang seng tek hak sabuk hak layuka. Welcome to Amarpur. Amarpur thang lagi na kita sentabu. Tekesha Amarpur bukhak ni abo untai rong gorok klajak sini history abo taman norong pori phunugan Sabimura Nainadi Poririk Narunarno Sabimura is famous for its panels of rock carving on the steep slope of mountain wall on the banks of river Gomoti. There are huge carved images of Lord Shiva, Vishnu, Kartika, Durga and other god and goddesses. These rock cut images were made during 15th to 16th centuries. Location near Amarpur, 15 km from Agartala. Agartala ni 75 km hasalo rock carving. Nainadi apa? Norok Tripura ni jotto jaga thangdingmani afuno heritage park of Hake. Norok Saimanai ta motong keri Tripura. Ang shortcut ti Hake. Norok nolama serial wise lang mai afuno heritage park of ta motong keri norok nai. Abo tangjak tamjani Saimanai. Abo tamjani ingjau kha. Ang Tripura wo tongnai se Saiman sugia hingga amno. Ang joto jaga beranya jega ba hingga faidi norok no abo tamo Poririk Narun. Pilak. The site relates to 8 to 12th centuries AD has been a cradle of culture of heterodox creeds and sect representing both Hinduism and Buddhism, bearing testimony of peaceful coexistence of the two cultures. Pilak. Location near Jalaibari, 100 kilometers south of Agartala. Agartala ni 100 km hasalo of Pilak. Norok nubi manai. Tripura ni manui tongmani te culture. Fight. Kalau tam sih kan aja welcome to Sabrum. Sing Sabrum mau thang này. Fight. Yang aku kaisa mondir nunggu kah? Apa tamu? Norok nafunu kan? Obo Hanumani. Maha Muni Pagoda. Poririk Narun norok Maha Muni Pagoda. This monastery bears the Buddhist items of expression in religious architecture and was constructed under the leadership of Mathum Mog and others a long time ago. A beautiful pagoda was also built of Muhammad. A famous week-long fair is held every year in the month of March-April. The temple attracts thousands of Buddhist and non-Buddhist pilgrims from every corner of the state as well as from neighboring countries like Myanmar, Thailand, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. Mahamuni Pagoda. Location at Sabrum, 134 kilometers south of Agartala. Agartala ni 134 kilometers south Agartala ni. Agartala by Shalom. Nah di Buddhist temple ni sing Porika. Orang aja, orang kadang mah kayak kutumui pelakya. Oh heritage park ni, race kayaknya jaga bah putu budang iman orang, belakang naik putu jaga. Orang kuno jaga Tripura ni itu mah site bah mention kali ya, angka kelayo apa no heritage park ni jotun site. Bang ni selama ni bah kampung jaga. Agak nawa, norok musuk, borok selam kah, jaga was putu roh budang iman. Raksa surai roke kasau. Tak seng firok lagi nai, dia lama, lagi ke Poriskar, nai cotok. Kak tayo video norok belai ke sajak nah ni, tay nai tojak nah ni. Jadi no video norok nai tojak ni, bahasa sakit tangke video no like lagi. Tay, channel norok subscribe lagi aku ke onti hai. Nai cotok video helpful bah ton fotok nai cotok videos nok na banok ke. Channel no subscribe lagi, bell icon no sini ready. Norok notification mana. Tinin bagi asung ng situng, jotono no, ambay.